Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett and today is August 3rd, 2018. We are on the Fine Arts Phase 2 construction project. This will be our first video of the series. We'll be taking you through progress today. This being our first video of our series of construction progress, we're going to take advantage of this, take you through our concept drawings, our renderings drawings, give you the picture of what we'll be following along in construction during the process. Really quick explanation here. All right, this is our new production facility. This is our art history building. This is going to be our new loading dock in this area right in through here. This will be the new walkway that ties all of the campus into the Fine Arts Complex in here. Fantastic. White, light, bright new entrance in through here. We're going to show you this corridor down in through here to our lightway. Marvelous. Our next view here, this is our 1,000-foot up in the air view. And again, we're the location, what you see here in yellow. It's next to the Art History building, right over here next to the Nate Cotter Theater, and over here again to the Fine Arts Complex over here. All right, same thing in this yellow area that's outlined right in here. Perfect. Now you get a chance, we'll give you a little bit more close up on how the building sits on the land in here. And this is great because this shows you our traffic pattern. And this is one of the greatest advantages of this new construction project. We are now going to have clear passage lines from this side. This is the west side of campus over here by Art History. You'll now have passageway right in through here. This is going to be our main corridor that I talked about. We're going to focus about this spot right in here. This is a marvelous design. We get to capture the existing exterior building over on here on the Fine Arts building section A and B in through here. Be a light core area right in through here. All right, we'll end up with a new parking lot in this section right here. Another great advantage to this project is now we have a loading dock here. So this is going to be our central theme production area for all of the theaters back in this section right in through here, and it will be able to transport it throughout campus is what you see in the loading dock right in through here. Okay, we're going to take you to start off with our drawings, and we're going to start in the basement because we're going to talk about this quite a bit. All right, this is the footprint of the new building right in here. This is the first floor. But to make this happen, we're going to time and time talk about all the utilities in this section that have to be moved before we start the foundations. And a lot of these utilities will be incorporated in a new tunnel that is yet to be constructed. And we're going to take you to the field and show you that. So the existing tunnel stopped right here, right next to the Nate Cotter Theater and the Art History building right through here. All right, we'll take you a little closer look at the first floor right in through here, and this is exactly what we're building. All right, on the here's the theater. In the back side of the theater, this area over here is going to be a multi-purpose room and a dressing room, and here's the theme of what's going on. So there'll be a paint shop in through here. These drawings don't show you the equipment. There'll be tons of equipment that goes into these spaces. The scene shop right in through here. Okay, and then right over here we'll have for the electrical lighting section right in through here. A couple of bathrooms in through here, a welding shop, the offices for this scene shop in here, and a paint charge, okay, for charging. Fantastic. And this is going to be this new stairway, this transition from the west side of campus into the Fine Arts Complex right in here, and this section right in through here. This is very similar to the Student Union, where we capture part of an existing building and we build a new addition right onto it. That's going to be fantastic through there. So the second floor, to show you a little bit how tall it's going to be, right? It's going to be clear story right up through here. That's 2 stories in these 2 shops right in here. And then our costume shop will be coming over here. All the costumes that are stored over in Jorgensen will be now moving in this section right over in through here. Be storage in the back of the theater back in through here. And this is this passageway that I was telling you about, all the way this corridor right in through here that now links both buildings together through here. All right, and this is the front elevation as we talked about all right, these grand stairs coming down and through here. Again, this walkway, this great walkway, this new loading dock. And the effort's going to be made to blend this new loading dock in with the theme, the exterior theme in the art history building over and through here. Very light, very bright. Okay, now from the Fine Arts Complex, looking back through the west side, South Campus over and through here. All right, this is the handicap ramp up and down through here, the stairway in through here. This is the existing building right over through here. All right, now this is a slice through this new hallway that I was telling you about, this light courtway through here. All right, so on the existing building, there'll be a graphic wall in through here. There's going to be some very bright lights in this section right in through here. This light court that we call over in through here. New block wall here. We have a digital screen that's going to come right in here. From the exterior, you'll be able to look down. Now, this is the existing building right over here. This is the building section A right in through here. That doesn't have any windows on it. Pretty much a brick wall. There'll be a new design that goes on to there. But what a nice, and this will be the passageway into the Fine Arts building over here. Now inside, now we're actually inside. We just stepped inside these doors, and this is this section that we were talking to about. Up and through here to the light court. So as the grade goes up, there's two sets of stairs that go into there. There'll be a nice LCD screen on the corner right over through here. And now the look back, as you see right in through here. So it's going to have these marvelous, what we call Y columns in through here. In this area, this light bright area in through here. All right, now this is the existing building over in this section right over in through here. The existing classroom, the windows. This is the exterior right in now. There'll be a light down here. This is going to be one. Let's begin with two passes that were taken July 21st before our construction really started. So the fencing was put up at this time. They were just beginning to remove some of the landscaping features. We can see the excavator up the top. But what a great way to remember what it looked like before the heavy construction started. The roadway, the island here in front of the Nave Cotter Theater, right? The piece of artwork that was up in this area beforehand, the walkway in through here. What a great capture. Now we jump to the most recent, August 3rd, pass by. The great amount of utilities that have happened, some in the roadway out there, some pretty much right where the excavator was. Every utility under the sun that you can think of has to be moved for this addition. We have steam, chilled water, storm, sewer. We have electrical in front of the building there. That green electrical transformer gets moved. The new transformer location is where the orange excavator is in front of us. And we'll take a second pass, a little bit more of a diagonal in through here. So we're pretty excited. Shortly, these utilities will be out of the way and the foundations will begin. We're going to take your boots on the ground. That little white calcium you see to the right is where the new tunnel will be. We'll talk about that. And again, the drama music, this building section right in here. We see the little windows right directly in front of us. That's going to be our new passageway that we talked about when we went over the design through there. And again, we're just about over the top of the new tunnel, right in this section here, and eventually will be the tie-in to the theater in here. We can't wait to get started. As we mentioned in the overhead, I kind of pointed down the corner, the northwest corner of the building is pretty close to where this bucket is. The foundation goes over to the corner of the art history building, over and through there on the corner of the precast right in behind the light base. That's the tunnel we were talking about right in this area right in here. That gets connected down into this new building so that all of these utilities have to be moved in the footprint before we can start our construction. We've got, you see the blue flags, the water service up there, all the way up to the building, another blue flag, fire service up in here. We've got all kinds of utilities in here, storm drainage, all have to be moved to begin this foundation work right in through here. Even the electric has to be moved. This transformer right in here gets switched out over and through here. We're always going to go back to this facade of the building right in through here, because as I mentioned previously, from Navcatter, from the corner, the new addition comes down in through here, like this. This becomes a corridor, a light way in through here. It's actually a light court up a little bit further, parallel to the building in through here. All right. One of the biggest parts of this project that we talked about earlier is this new entranceway that's going to be able to come in through here. All right. This corridor, which will carry people down in here and through this section, there'll actually be a tie-in between the art history buildings right in through here too. Yeah. So this area here, 5-6 different utilities, storm drainage, sewer lines, chilled water lines that run in through here, steam lines that run in through here. This is a tough spot that they're trying to get right in through here. Some old Orangeburg pipe that we see right in through here, over here. So this area is a challenge to the contractor. Tunnel runs up here between the two buildings. As we mentioned in the overhead, this is the point of connection. Very similar to go back to the Northwest Science Quad that we did, except when this one we're going to pick up right in through here. These are the utilities that have to get relocated in through here. The new tunnel comes down this way right in here. Some utilities, how about every utility that we own? Water, telecom, electric, sanitary. Okay. So that's the challenge up in here, and I'll show you from the other side. Okay, we're now at the southwest corner of the addition. Here's the tie-in right into here. Okay, as we mentioned in the overhead, as we mentioned standing from the northwest corner over in through here, the existing tunnel, all these utilities that have to get moved. The new tunnel that we're going to pick up has a little bit of a kink into it this way, goes down into that way, right into there, picks up all the other utilities on the other side of the excavator over here. That's the process here. We got to relocate utilities because they're in footings, they're in the building, they're in the structure. Can't build the foundation until these utilities, until the tunnel gets built right in through here. All right, well, we're going to take a quick walk around here and show you. Right, this is where we're tying into the building, right over in through here. Again, this is the facade we're going to keep our eye on. Talk about water lines, right? This is tied into the fire service right in here. The blue, the flags, the valves. Again, fire service right over in this area and through here. All right. So this is going to be kind of similar to the student union, where we're going to capture part of the building as we showed it to you on the renderings drawings earlier. All right, same thing in here. It's going to be a skylights right in here. This will be the light court area right in through here. And today is August 3rd, 2018. And we thank you for your interest in our university project. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.